So while the internet has revolutionized this entire world, its potential it still remains untapped. While it has connected billions, we have small number of corporations, large corporations that are controlling the digital landscape. And this is the reason why the innovation is stifled, our privacy is compromised, and we have hindered economic growth. So to restore the internet's promise to privacy, accessibility, and user empowerment, we require a fundamental shift. And the project we're going to talk about in this video, it is essentially providing this fundamental shift that we require. The project name is called Fluence, and it is tapping into three key markets, that is RWAs, AI, and also DePIN, decentralized physical infrastructure network. Now we'll talk about all these markets. We'll talk about this entire project, what it offers. Is it something that is required? How is it going to create this fundamental shift? And we're going to talk about their token. They are launching their staking platform in this very month, and they have a contest in which they're giving away 1 million FLT coins, their native currency. So we'll talk about that as well, including their partnerships and what they're developing. So if you want to find all that out, make sure that you watch till the end. I'll give you guys all the links. I'll be in the description. As always, it's not going to be an investment or a financial advice, so always do your own investigation and research. And with this out of the way, we're going to start it off with a proper introduction on what Fluence actually is. So this is a decentralized computing platform that aims to disrupt traditional cloud computing by offering a more cost-effective, secure, and transparent alternative. It is built on the Aqua Protocol, and it leverages a global network of compute providers to deliver cloudless solutions. This platform is governed by a DAO that goes by the name of Fluence DAO, so it allows for community participation, and they have created this model called Computify, in which users can contribute their computational resources and they can earn rewards. And they're doing strategic partnerships, they have strong investors backing, and they have a focus on key market trends like I mentioned, including RWAs, artificial intelligence, and DePIN. So it is very well positioned to revolutionize the industry, and they're offering low cost comparatively to others. They're offering increased efficiency and greater control for the users. Now, if you take a look at their website, first of all, in the top, we get the link to join the FLT stake race, in which they're giving away 1 million FLT in prizes. We'll of course take a look at it. It's basically a contest. You'll be performing tasks, doing solving quests and so forth. We'll take more detailed look at it. Now it says that it is cloudless computing. The Fluence Depin platform frees computation from centralized clouds by offering natively decentralized, low cost, and verifiable compute. What's interesting here is that the co-founder and CEO of Fluence, which is Tom Trowbridge, is actually one of the founders of Hedera or HBAR, which is currently at number 38 in top cryptocurrencies, sitting at about 1.9, almost $2 billion market cap. So we know that the co-founder and the CEO, that is a well-renowned personality. Now this video that we have right here, it explains everything, the problem that there is and the solution Fluence is offering. But I think we understand a bit of the basic gist of Fluence. The problem that we have in the traditional cloud computing is that, well, first of all, it is centralized, single point of failure, single point of error, and single point of attack, and it is controlled by limited number of corporations that essentially controls everything. On the other hand, what Fluence is offering is decentralized, it is cost effective, and it is much more efficient. So they have their native token that goes by the name of FLT. Now holders of FLT, they basically can secure the protocol by contributing their computational resources, and by doing so they receive rewards. That is their computify model that we just discussed, and this is what they're calling cloudless computing. So everyone in this network contributes towards it. So because of this, there is no single point of failure, no single point of error, no single point of attack. Everyone who contributes gets rewarded for it, and that's how they have made this possible. That concept is very huge because this market of cloud computing, data storage, that is absolutely huge. And the other key markets that it has tapped into, including RWAs, real world assets, which again we know that is pretty huge. We have talked about it multiple times in the past. And another market that it has tapped into is Depin, decentralized physical infrastructure network. All of these are trending markets, and also the AI. All these are trending markets. So this project is very well positioned because of it. If we talk about the relation of RWAs with Fluence, they're basically tokenizing compute power using NFTs. And if we talk about artificial intelligence, Fluence can serve as a foundation for decentralized AI applications. It has this distributed computing power that can handle complex AI models, while it also emphasizes on data privacy and security. So it aligns with the growing concerns that we have in the AI industry. And if we talk about Depin, Fluence can optimize the utilization of physical infrastructure such as data centers and computing resources. So by incentivizing resource sharing through their computify model, it can create a more efficient and cost-effective global computing network. And if we take a look at similar projects in Depin, we have Filecoin, we have Akash network. All of these are projects that have market cap in billions of dollars. So we can safely say that this project is very well positioned and very strategically positioned for astronomical growth. If we talk about the contest, this is the page. I'm going to share it with you guys in the description. You complete task, you participate in contest, and you win your allocation and be the first to stake FLT in the largest decentralized serverless platform. Now the staking platform is going to be launched in this very month, so it can be in a few days, in a couple of weeks. And this is the page where you're going to perform these quest. You're going to complete task, participate in contest, win your allocation. So this is the page that we have right here. You need to log in so that they can track your progress and rewards, and these are the tasks that you can see in front of you. Again, I'll give you guys link to this as well. Make sure that you check it out. And there we have it. I think we have discussed enough about Fluence to establish that this is becoming one of the key players in the industry, and this whole recipe that we have talked about with their founder and co-founder and CEO being one of the founders of Aethir, and their strategic partnerships with data center owners, and their public support from Kylie Samani, and their support from strong investors and VC friends. That is the optimal recipe for astronomical growth. So I think this is an opportunity that should not be missed. I'll give you guys all the links. I'll be in the description, including the contest. Make sure that you do not miss it. And yeah, this is all of you guys in this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one shortly. So stay tuned.